Ramping up your English, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the place where English learning becomes fun and easy. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase that you might have heard, ramping up. Whether you're watching the news, reading an article, or in a business meeting, this phrase is becoming increasingly popular. So, what does it mean to ramp up something? Stay tuned, and let's ramp up your English vocabulary together. The phrase, ramping up, is an idiom that means to increase or grow in intensity, amount, or speed. Think of it like a ramp. When something goes up a ramp, it ascends. Similarly, when you ramp up an activity or process, you are scaling it up. It can be used in various contexts, from manufacturing to personal development. For example, a factory ramps up production to meet high demand. An athlete ramps up their training before a big competition. It's a versatile phrase that captures the essence of acceleration and expansion. The origins of ramping up come from the physical ramp. A ramp is an inclined surface connecting two levels, and in the same way, when something is ramping up, it is moving from a lower to a higher level of intensity or activity. This phrase has been adopted into business and everyday language to indicate progression and forward movement. It's especially popular in contexts where growth or increase is a positive development. To get a better grasp, let's look at ramping up in action. Here are a few sentences. The company is ramping up its efforts to go green. With the exams approaching, students are ramping up their study sessions. The health department is ramping up the awareness campaign for the flu season. These examples show how ramping up is used to describe the action of intensifying efforts or activities. When using ramping up, remember that it often implies a deliberate action. It's not typically used for passive or unintentional increases. Here's an incorrect usage. The weather is ramping up the temperature. The correct phrase might be, the temperature is increasing. Always use it in contexts where there is an intentional effort to increase or escalate something. I hope this video has helped ramp up your understanding of the phrase, ramping up, and you're now ready to use it confidently in your daily English. Remember, learning a language is all about incremental growth, much like ramping up itself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. Keep practicing, and you'll ramp up your English skills in no time. See you in the next video.